Today, I am going to show you how to create amazing trending photo collages in Canva using two different methods. You can create any collage shape you want, half moon, diagonal strips, anything. And stay till the end because I'll give you all of these as free templates too. Let's get into it. All right, click on the plus icon to create a new design. You can choose any size you want. I'll create a custom size, 1080 by 1080 pixels. Okay, so first, let's install an app that will help us create these collages. Go to Apps and search for Collage Maker. This is the app. Click on it to install. This is a very powerful app. I've already made a bunch of tutorials about it on my channel. Inside the app, you'll find many collage templates that you can filter by categories. And new templates are added every week, so by the time you watch this video, there may be even more options. Well, today I'll use their Convert feature, which is paid, but they offer a free trial so you can test it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Now, there are two ways to create a collage. The first way is to create any design and convert it into a collage. Let me show you how. Go to Elements, open Shapes, click See All Basic Shapes, and let's add this one. Change its color to black, place it on the left side, and stretch it horizontally. Duplicate it, move it to the side, rotate it, and place it like that. Now, duplicate these and make 4 vertical shapes. Select all, reduce the size, and center align them. Now let's convert this into a collage so we can add different photos inside. Go back to the app. Under Convert, click Convert Design to Collage. Choose Maximum Size, enable transparent background, and click Export. Our shapes are now converted into a collage. Now you'll see 3 layout options: masonry, grid, and split. I'll choose split. This feature splits your design into multiple separate parts. You can also add a stroke by enabling this toggle. I'll change the stroke color to black and set the size to 1px. Now click Add to Design. The collage is inserted above your original design. You can delete the original design now if you don't need it. Now let's add our photos. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Now let me show you the second way to create a collage. Go to Elements and search for anything you want to use as the collage shape. For example, I'll search for half moon and open Graphics. This time, we don't create anything, we just find a good graphic and convert it directly into a collage. For example, I'll add this one and increase its size to fill the canvas. Now go back to the app, click Convert, then click Convert Design to Collage. Select Maximum Size, enable Transparent Background, select the current page from the dropdown, and click Export. Now choose your layout. I'll choose Masonry this time. Add a small gap between the frames and adjust the number of frames using the slider. Now enable the stroke and set the stroke color to black. Increase the gap a little and adjust the frames. Once everything looks good, add it into the page. The collage is now added above the graphic. Delete the original graphic from behind. Now let's add our photos. And this is the final result. See how cool that looks? Now here's a bonus tip for you. If you want really good collage layout ideas, search collage template on Pinterest. You'll find so many great options there that you can use it or recreate in Canva. One important point: before using any image, always check the license, especially if you want to sell your design online. Always make sure you have the right to use the image. And that's how you create amazing photo collages in Canva. If you want all of these as free templates, share this video and comment template below. I'll reply with the template link directly. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. See you in the next one.